Tired of extremely damaged hair, breaking, snapping, and splitting? In today's unboxing, we are focusing on K18's Damage Repair Starter Kit, powered by trademarked K18 Peptide. Starting with the Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo with just one wash to remove all product buildup. Followed by the Molecular Repair Mask, which works with 2 pumps and 4 minutes to repair the damage on your hair, finishing with the Molecular Repair Oil, which is a weightless, silicone-free oil that strengthens, reduces frizz, and repairs. Dust off your damage and get your K18 Repair Starter Kit today.